Hi everyone. Now it's time for our Eskrima-Kali-Arnis training skills. Alright? Now I'm going to share with you on how to do again the Arnis Amarra, Patuyok, Twirlings, Arko, Chako style. Right? We'll do it step by step. From basic Arko, basic Amarra to complex. Alright? The variations of Eskrima-Kali-Arnis, Twirlings, exercises. Okay, first is the basic twirling, 6 counts, right? So fighting stance or forward stance. This is my garrote hand. My right foot is my lead foot, right? So here, downward circular 1 2, downward circular 3 4, and upward circular. That's 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Forehand, backhand downward, backhand upward. Downward circular forehand, downward circular backhand, upward circular backhand. Downward, downward, upward. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So notice my footwork. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. See, the same. So this is my garrote hand, my left hand garrote hand. My left foot is my lead foot now, right? Downward circular, upward circular. Forehand, backhand, backhand upward. Forehand downward, backhand upward. Forehand, backhand upward. 2 3 4 5 6. Again, downward circular, backhand, upward circular backhand. Forehand, backhand. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Alright? So the same with my right hand. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 3 4. Now we'll proceed to 6 7 8 9 11. Okay? 11 counts Arko, 11 counts twirling. So fighting stance, forward stance. This is my garrote hand. Notice my right foot is my lead foot. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, and then thrust. Okay, thrust. Sungkiti. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Sungkiti. That's 11, right? Again, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Okay, now we'll transfer to left hand. Right? See? So left hand. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Sungkiti. Thrust. Okay? Sungkiti. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Again, fighting stance or forward stance. This is my left hand. My left foot is my lead foot. 1 2 3 4 6 7 8 9 10 11. Now we'll proceed to 13 counts. Okay? So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. Again, 1 2 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. One more time. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. Now from my right hand to my left hand. 1 2 3 4 6 7 8 11 12 13. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. One more time, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12, 13. So there you have it. 13 counts, basic Arko. 13 counts, basic twirling. We can do 20 counts, okay? So from my left hand earlier, now we're going to do right hand, okay? So here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Upward strike. 14, 15, 16, 17. Plancha. See? Plancha. Horizontal strike. 18, 19, 20. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Sungkiti. 11, 12, 13. Upward. 14, 15, 16, 17. Plancha. 18, 19, 20. Now from my right hand to my left hand. Okay? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Sungkiti. 12, 13. Upward side. 14, 15, 16, 17. Plancha. That's 18, 19, 20. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Sungkiti. 11. Sungkiti. 12, 13. Upward side. 14, 15, and 17. Plancha. That's 18, right? 19, 20. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Sungkiti. 11, 12, 13. Upward. 14, 15, 16, 17. Plancha. 18, 19, 20. Right? Now, so we just finished the basic Arko and the basic twirling. We do the 6 counts, 11 counts, 13 counts, 20 counts twirling, 20 counts Arko. Now we'll do the Chako style, the Arnis pick up, the Arnis passing of 6. Okay. First is the underarm pit passing of 6. See? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then snap strike. Or just pick it up. See? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. See that? 1, 2, 3, 4. Then hold it here. Pick it up. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. Then pick it up. 3, 4. See? 1, 2, 3, 4. Then grab it here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So under armpit, passing of 6. Now, from the underarm armpit passing of 6, we can do a mid-just strike. Okay.